Okay, we are at the Moracea Hotel and I'm just going to get a guided tour of a deluxe room and a bungalow room. Okay, thank you. In the buggy. It's set on the hillside. I'm going to look at two rooms today. A deluxe room and a bungalow room. Okay, stay here, yeah? Okay. So we are at the bungalow room first. I'm going to wipe this lens in a moment because I've got a big thumbprint on it again. Oh, a view. Oh, take my shoes off. Oh, this is very, very nice. Okay, I'm just going to clean my lens. Sorry about this. There we go, balcony view. It's got a fly screen on as well, a mosquito screen, so that's good. Table. And double bed, where it does do twins as well. Oh, that's a lovely bath. Look at that. Storage. Ooh, dressing gowns. Light. Very nice. Umbrellas. A safe. Laundry basket. We have a shower. And toilet. Flat screen TV. A fan in the ceiling. And we have air conditioning. Okay. Drinks, and I assume there will be a little fridge somewhere. Yes, and a little fridge. Air conditioning, remote control, and key card for turning the lights on. The room's got a little map. Do you know where we are? Thank you, brilliant. Thank you so much. Okay, we're going to go and look at the beach bungalow now. Back in the golf buggy. Okay, that room was priced at the moment $2,200 for two people per night, including breakfast. Oh. It's low season, so these are low season prices. The prices may differ in high season, obviously. The hotel is quite large. I had a look at the map before, so it's quite spread out, and some of the rooms are swim up. Everything seems to be built on a hill, as you can see. It looks like it has a couple of swimming pools. One of the pools is on the beach, and some of the hotel rooms have swim-up pools. The tide is really in today. We have a lovely, lovely breeze coming off the sea. I think the weather's just about to turn. So we've just moved into the second week of June now. That's how it's building. Okay, here we go. So these are priced at, let me look, 3,000. Got the price sticker on the back of my phone. 3,300 per night. Yeah, again, obviously low season. This is another little swimming pool. I do love these places with lots of tree cover and palm cover. It really does make a difference when you're walking around in the stifling heat. So give this place 10 out of 10 for foliage. It's called the Moracea, which is the name of a leaf of the jackfruit tree. Okay, flip my shoes off, thank you. Lovely. Twin beds. A writing table. We got a sea view here. Let me see. Just open there. Here we go. A little sun lounger there, just to chill out. Ceiling fan, aircon. That's the layout with the twin beds. Oh, lovely little window seating area with blinds. That screen TV. Bathroom. Mirror. Okay, shower. Toilet. We have a safe in here. Yep. Hanging. And umbrellas again. And I assume we will have a fridge down here, which we do have. Tea and coffee. Supplied coffee. Wi-Fi hub for a good signal. And these are the TV channels. Small selection of 12 channels there. Okay, I'll conclude the room tour here. So that's the 2 rooms, the deluxe and the bungalow style. If you like this kind of content, please do like and subscribe. It always helps the channel, and thank you for watching. I will do next a quick walk around tour of the actual hotel itself, just to give you an idea of its layout from reception onwards. Okay, thank you.